Hi, my name is Untitled Rashid and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to learn how to use the calculator to solve simultaneous equations. So, simultaneous equation like this in 2 unknown and 3 unknowns. So I must stress that the calculator I'm using is FS991EX. So how do we do that? You go to mode on your calculator, this mode. Then you see the 5 represent equation. So you press 5. Then the first one is simultaneous equation in 2 unknowns. So you select that one, you press 1. You have a format like this. Your task is you just enter the coefficient of the x, the y, then the constant. When you press the coefficient of the x, you press equal to. The y you press equal to, then the constant equal to. So press 3 equal to 5 equal to, then 9, the constant, equal to. Then you come back to the second equation. The second, you press 2 equal to, the coefficient there is -3, so -3 equal to, then a constant, -13, so -13 equal to. So after that, you just press equal to. It will give you the value of s to be -2 and the value of y to be 3. I hope you get that. So we'll do another example. 6x plus 2y equal to 10. Then 4x plus 8y equal to -20. So you go to mode. Then you press 5 for equation. Then the first one is the simultaneous equation in 2 unknowns. So 1. Then you press the coefficient. Just the coefficient 6 equal to. The coefficient there is 2. So 2 equal to. Then 10 equal to. The constant. Then we come to the second equation. The coefficient there is 4 equal to, then 8 equal to, then a constant, -20. After that, you press equal to twice to get the value of x and y. So the value of x is 3 and the value of y is -4. I hope you get that. So please remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more of this. Now we'll go to the we'll solve simultaneous equations in 3 unknown variables. 3 unknown variables. So x plus y plus 2z equal to 9. Then 2x plus 4y minus 3z equal to 1. Then 3x plus 6y minus 5z equal to 0. How do we do that? You go to mode again. Then select equation, which is 5. So you press 5. Then you select the second one. Not 1 this time around, 2. 2 represents simultaneous equation in 3 unknown variables. So you select 2. Your task is just enter the coefficients. So the coefficient of the x there is 1. So 1 equal to. The y is also 1. So 1 equal to. Then the z there is 2. So 2 equal to. Then the constant is 9. So 9. You come to the second equation. You do the same thing. 2 equal to. 4 equal to, then -3 equal to, then 1 equal to. The third equation, 3 equal to, 6 equal to, then -5 equal to, then 0 equal to. When you are done, just press equal to again. You realize that the value of x is 1, the value of y is 2, and the value of z is 3. I hope you get that. We'll solve one more so that you get a concept. So we'll solve another one. This one is -3x plus 2y minus z equal to -1. Then 6x minus 6y plus 7z equal to -7. Then 3x minus 4y plus 4z equal to -6. So go to mode on your calculator. Then you go to equation, which is 5. Then select 2. 2 is the simultaneous equation in 3 unknown variables. So select 2. You have something like this. Just enter the coefficient. So the coefficient here is -3. So it's a -3 equal to. Then 2 for the y equal to. the z is -1, so -1 equal to. Then the constant is also -1, so -1 equal to. Come to the second equation. 6 equal to -6 equal to 7 equal to, then -7 equal to. We come to the third one, which is 3 equal to -4 equal to 4 equal to, then -6 equal to. When you are done, just enter equal to get your value of x, y, and z. So you can realize that your value of x is 2, y is also 2, and z is -1. I hope this will help you. Please remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more of this, and click on the notification bell so that if I post a video, you'll be the first to receive it. Until we meet again, bye-bye.